Welcome to Aquaphor. These days, you'll rarely find drinking water that is pure. That's why we need to use various methods to purify our water in the home. The most modern method of purifying water is reverse osmosis. What is reverse osmosis? Reverse osmosis is a process of water filtration where the water is forced through a special membrane. This membrane lets the water through while rejecting virtually all the dissolved contaminants. Reverse osmosis not only purifies your water from sediments, bacteria and viruses, but also softens your water at the same time. This method of purifying water is practically ideal and is widely used in the modern world. Because modern innovations have made it possible for us to greatly reduce the size and cost of our membranes, this has made reverse osmosis available not only to industry, but also for your kitchen. However, the traditional domestic membrane filter has a number of significant drawbacks. It has to use a storage tank for purified water, which is larger than the size of the filter itself. The water pressure has to be no less than 3.5 atmospheres. Large quantities of water are poured into the sewer during the filtration process, and the great number of control valves and tubings make the filter very cumbrous to use. So, is there a solution? The Aquaphor Morion represents the new generation of reverse osmosis water purifiers. The Aquaphor Morion is an innovative system of water purification compared to conventional reverse osmosis filters. It's a highly efficient system incorporating automation and the ability to accumulate the purified water. The main difference between the Aquaphor Morion and conventional systems is the unique design of Morion's storage tank. Conventional tanks have two sections, separated by a flexible wall. One for clean water, the other sealed, filled with air. When filling the tank, the air is compressed. And when you turn on the purified water faucet, compressed air pushes out the stored clean water. Aquaphor Morion's tank is separated by an elastic wall into two sections. The first one is connected through the automation unit to your source water. The other is for storing your purified water. During filtration, the purified water fills the storage section, while the rejected water is forced out into the drain. When you turn on the faucet, the tap water starts flowing into the control section and forces out the purified water. With conventional reverse osmosis filters, when their storage tank is completely filled, 1/3 of the tank is taken up by air, which leaves less room for the purified water. In the Aquaphor Morion pressurized water tank system, the entire volume is occupied by purified water. Measurements show that the water pressure in conventional storage tanks rises, thus lowering the system's effectiveness. This slows down the rate of filtration as well as literally increasing the amount of water going down the drain. In the Aquaphor Morion system, with its water-driven tank, water from the control section pours out without creating back pressure. This way, the filtration rate remains constantly high. Why choose Aquaphor Morion? Aquaphor Morion takes up less space. It takes up only 1/3 of the space of a conventional system in your kitchen. Aquaphor Morion is faster. It takes only 10 minutes for you to get 1 liter of purified water with our system, compared to 20 minutes for conventional systems. Aquaphor Morion lowers your water consumption. Aquaphor Morion needs only 5 liters of source water compared to 10 liters for conventional system. This saves you up to 9 tons of water per year. Aquaphor Morion's membrane has a longer life and lower maintenance costs. Because the pre-filtration unit operates with significantly lower volumes of water, the service life of the Aquaphor Morion membrane and filter models is twice that of conventional systems, while maintenance costs are half as much. Aquaphor Morion works with a lower water pressure. It requires only a minimum water pressure from the mains, 1.5 bars versus 3.5 bars for conventional systems. Aquaphor Morion gives you a consistent supply of purified water. Its storage tank always holds at least 5 liters of purified water, while in conventional systems it depends on the pressure in the water mains. Aquaphor Morion gives you the best all-round performance. Morion's effectiveness is 100%, while that of typical reverse osmosis systems is just 55%. Aquaphor Morion, a smart choice for your home and your health.